Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Call me an enabler because you are going to want to get this new paper. This is from Echo Park and it is called Alice in Wonderland. I've actually been waiting on this, the delivery of this for probably a good 6 to 8 weeks, and it finally came in and I received it while I was out of town, and I just wanted to show you guys this because I fell in love with it and I think you will too. So first of all, let's look at what we've got. I've got the paper pat or the paper kit, and it's 12 by 12 double-sided papers, a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So that's what's here. I got the chipboard phrases, the 6 by 6 pad, some brads, and some ephemera pieces. So let's dig in and have a look. Let's start with the 6 by 6 paper pad. We've got flowers here, and this is double-sided. So what do we have? 24 double-sided 65-pound cardstock. I love this Alice in Wonderland with the blue dress, flowers, and butterflies. And then more flowers. This is like a pink quilt look to it. Some black with green leaves and blue paper. The blue of her dress. I will say that Cartabella and Echo Park, their paper is very hard to tear out of the pad for me and to move it, you know, back and forth like this. I don't know why. It might just be me. So let's see, we've got some little yellow flowers, and this is pink on the back as well. And then this looks like a Mad Hatter tea party with teacups and teapots, and again the flowers. Nice stripes on the back that kind of go with the framed prints that are on the wall, and when they're all the characters from Alice in Wonderland. So cute. And that has a bunch of keys on the back and another floral print. A dark green quilt. And then here's more Alice in kind of like, I would say they're floral garlands. She's like inside. And blue stripes on the back of that. And then all the cupcakes and pastries. And then these little bottles that say drink me. And flower print on the back. And then we've got borders. Borders are so cute. These will make nice cards if that's what I decide to do with it. I'm not sure yet. Teacups and teapots on the back. I'll turn it around. And some butterflies. Those are really pretty. And then blue with polka dots on the back. And then it repeats. It's like that. So anyway, this is just gorgeous paper. I absolutely love it. Love, love, love. So we'll do the chipboard stickers next. Chipboard phrases. These are always nice to have when you're making cards or mini albums because it sets a theme, or, you know, it makes it for a nice sentiment. So let's see. We have your heart and my heart are very, very old friends. Always be kind. I'm late for a very important date. That would be so cute to put on a belated birthday card. Hello there. She fell asleep and got lost in Wonderland. Time for the teacups. Every adventure requires a first step. Always stay curious. That'd be great for congratulations, like a graduation. Alice in Wonderland, just a title piece. Sweet little lady. Today is going to be awesome. The portrait of Alice. This is something wonderful. It says, you are some kind of wonderful. It's in yellow. It's very hard for me to read. Tea time is always a great idea. D-R-E-M for dream. Would you like an adventure now, or shall we have our tea first? Shine like the stars, and then this nice floral piece here. So these are nice. I think I don't know if I'm going to use these for cards or for a mini album. I just really don't know yet. Here are the brads, and I'm going to open this up as well. I'm not obviously not going to take them off, but it'll provide a better close-up. And it's just lots of little, oh, this one's the Alice by the Tree is really cute. Teacups, flowers, and then just plain like rhinestone type. They're beveled. Your heart and my heart are very old friends. That's the same decorative brads plus 5 chipboard pieces. Okay, so these are very similar to what's on the chipboard that I have, but just different pieces. I mean, like different shapes. This is a mirror, the other one was square, and then this is what it looks like on the back to show you the brads. I like it. Very nice. Next, we will go through the ephemera pieces. Tea Time, a nice title of Alice in Wonderland. Well, that's interesting. A little card of the tea party. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And that's by Walt Disney. It's a quote by Walt Disney. And this is like a photo frame, like an instant photo, like a Polaroid. Magical. A tag that says, my dream wouldn't be complete without you in it. Another tag, we daydream about impossible things. This is so nice. You will always be a part of my dreams forever. It's very motivational. Time for the teacups. Wonderland. Dream big. Curiosity. Would you like an adventure now, or shall we have our tea first? A common theme. Little teacups. Alice. You are some kind of wonderful. Today is going to be awesome. Always be kind. Hello there. If you can dream it, you can do it. Some little banner flags. Some little circle that has a strawberry on it, and a tab that says memories. Some mushrooms, a butterfly, and then a larger tag or a larger piece that says, what if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? That's really, really cute. And if I decided to do a mini book, I think this might be my the cover. What if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? I love it. Love, love, love it. I could definitely see using it for a children's album. I saved the best for last, and it is the 12 by 12 kit, and I will run through the papers really quick because we did already see them in the 6 by 6 pad, unless of course there's something different. So it says Alice in Wonderland with all the everything that's included is on the front here, and this is just the cover sheet. Then we have some 4 by 6 cards. It's time for a magical adventure. Tea time is always a great idea. I'm late for a very important date. Always stay curious, and then just Alice in Wonderland, and then the tea party. So cute. And on the back is the leaf pattern. So this, of course, was not in the 6 by 6. Then we have Alice and the quilted pink. Some 4 by 4 cards. I love 4 by 4 cards. Especially when you make like a smaller album that's like 4.5 or 5. It's nice. There's Alice in the Floral Garland. You're magical. Hello there. Every adventure requires a first step. She fell asleep and got lost in Wonderland. If you can dream it, you can do it. And then tea time. And on the back of this one is one of the floral prints. Here's the black, the flowers on the black with a pink pattern. Some 3 by 4 cards. Alice sitting by the tree, which I absolutely love. We daydream about the impossible things. Your heart and my heart are very, very old friends. Then just this one, just a pattern. This one has the adventure quote. Hello, my darling, with the rabbit. And then here's the what if I fall. Here's a bouquet. You are my happy place. My dream wouldn't be complete without you in it. All of our dreams. She is quick and curious and playful and strong, and do more of what makes you happy. And the back side of this is The yellow flowers. Love it. Here's all the little teapots and teacups with the stripes on the back. The wall full of frames, and I think you could use this, you could fussy cut around this as well as use it as background. And then it has all the keys on the back, which I really like that one. Then we've got another floral piece with the green kind of quilted background. Alice with the floral garland slash trellis slash whatever. I really like these. So cute. The blue and white stripes on the back. All of the cupcakes with the Drink Me Poison bottles. And the bouquet of flowers here. Now we've got the big sheet of borders. I love these. These are great for cards. And then the teacups and teapots on the back. Then we've got the final paper, which is the butterflies and the blue and white dots. I love this color. It's really pretty. Finally in the kit comes this sticker sheet, which I love the sticker sheets. And a lot of it's going to be the same as what's on the chipboard phrases. And I have found lately that maybe I don't need both, but I could not resist. And it's just a lot of the same things we've seen already, but in sticker form. You've got Alice in Wonderland. This is new. It says Tea Time, Magic, Memories, Adventure. These flags here. And then I do like the tea party inside the frame. That's really cute. We've got the makings of a banner here. It says, hello there. She fell asleep and got lost in Wonderland. All these things we've seen. I'm late for a very important date. Some borders. These are cute. So these, I love this so much. Really, really cute. So this is my Alice in Wonderland paper line haul from Echo Park. And I admit it freely that I'm an enabler because I so love this. I think you guys are going to love it based on some of the other kits that I've brought to you and paper patterns and the responses and things. So I think you'll like it. We'll put links below if anybody wants them for reference. And other than that, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.